Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by deciding which storage type fits your goal: portable shulker boxes, compact barrels, or an ender chest for shared access. Make sure you have crafting materials on hand and at least one empty inventory slot to avoid item loss. Once chosen, craft the initial unit immediately so you can transfer items. You should also verify whether you need a crafting table, furnace, or anvil nearby, because some conversions require additional tools or enchantments to preserve names or locks. Now perform the conversion and transfer. Place the new storage next to the old one and open both inventories to drag or shift-click entire stacks quickly. If you convert to shulker boxes, pack items into the boxes first and then move the boxes themselves for massive transfers. For ender chests, put critical items inside to access them later from a different location. Make sure to move sensitive gear last, so you never lock yourself out of essential tools during the swap. Finish by securing and organizing the new storage. Rename shulker boxes or chests with an anvil for quick ID and place them in your base or storage room logically. Once done, double-check every container so no stacks were accidentally left behind. If something goes wrong and items seem to have disappeared, first reopen the containers and inspect adjacent blocks, then save and reload the world or server to resolve sync issues. If that fails, check backups or rollback tools if available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.